Hi, Hiram here. Today I'm going to do a test on this Caldera Cone, Trail Design Caldera Cone that I got from owencoorsUS. This was in that swapping deal that I did with him. Showed you in one of my last videos. Caldera Cone's pretty cool. It's a pot stand that's designed specifically for a burner and a pot. There's a really nice video out that I off YouTube. See if I can get it here. On how to make a Caldera Cone. I'll leave a link for this. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, this is like the best video that I've seen on making a Caldera Cone. See if I can stop this. Like I said, this is a specific matching for a burner and the pot that you want to use. On this one, it's a Vargo titanium. Slips in just like this. Now Owen modified this a little bit, changed the handle on the pot and patched up a thing here, slot here, so that it didn't heat the handles up real hot. This Caldera is made out of relatively thin, soft material. The one for that video shows using aluminum flashing, this stuff. This is what I'm planning on making mine out of. It's a wee bit more sturdy. This pot stand, Caldera Cone, gets rolled up and put into a plastic bottle, which Owen didn't have the bottle, but that's no big deal, to protect this. As far as this stuff is concerned, you can see it's all wrinkled and whatnot. You'd have to really handle this with kid gloves. Okay, earlier I did a little video showing the burning of the burner here, how the flames don't go out the side, the air goes in and the flames come up. So while you're watching that, I'll go get my water prepped and I'll be right back for a test. This is the burner that came with that Caldera Cone from, I think it was Trail Designs. It's basically a chimney stove, chimney burner. Very much like the one that I got from Colorado Camper. Remember this? And basically, it's pretty much the same thing, except on this one they have an inside liner. So all you do for this, I just wanted to show you that this burns a little bit differently. You put your alcohol inside here, and you kind of have to, over time, know how much to put in there, because there's no way to really empty this back out and save it, or keep it contained like you do with a Trangia. Put in your alcohol, light it. Yep, that's lit. Let me turn out some of the lights here, and you'll see this is different than other burners. The flames don't come out the side holes. These are air holes for air being sucked in. Then as this heats up, all of the flame will come straight up out through here. Maybe I should have lit this a little bit earlier. This will get a relatively high flame, 2 or 3 inches up. This is too close to the camera, but you'll get flames up about like this. That's warm. I don't know, can you see the flames yet? So anyway, that's the burner that goes with the Caldera Cone. Okay, let's go back to the test. Okay, let me light this. I have methanol in there. I'm not sure how much it needs, so I just put a certain amount. Now, like I said earlier, a Caldera Cone is set up taking the height of the stove into consideration and where the pot is held on this. This is made to a diameter that a pot with a lip on it will be held up by that. So the combination of this distance and this distance, you add 1 inch between the two, and that's supposed to be about the setup. Okay, that's lit. Let me put the cone on. Can't see with this camera, but the air goes in the bottom slots here, gets heated up and comes out the top. I have 2 cups of water here, setting at 60 degrees. See how the cup is held up? Oop, boy, that jumped. So let's see where this goes. Here we have 210, 211, 212 in 7 minutes 8 seconds. 7 minutes 8 seconds. I really thought that might heat up a little bit faster than that, but what can you do? Okay, so there it's, whoa, hot, steam coming out. Like I said, I don't know, can't see this here. You can see one here. There's vents on the bottom. The burner sucks the air in from the bottom, heats it up and everything, and the heat comes out these holes. So this should be a pretty darn good windscreen to protect you from breezes and whatnot. Let me take this off. Now, Owen's modification is cool to the touch. I can take that off. Let me see if I can. Yep. And I'll just see if you can see the flames here. See how all of the flame comes through the middle and up through. So it's a rather tall flame. Anyway, the bad part about something like this is you've got to let the alcohol burn off. You can't try to pour this out or anything. I'm pretty sure it'll get all messed up inside. You just got to let it burn out. So once you get the idea of how much you need for alcohol, you can narrow it down, you know, to the ½ ounce or whatever you need to get water to boil. This is also pretty much just a rig for boiling water. I don't know how well it would go with putting like beans or something in here and stirring them to try to keep them from getting burned. I may do this test again using my favorite burner, the Trangia. You know how I am with that stuff. But this is, yeah, it says it on the side, Trail Design's Caldera Cone, which Owen modified. He modified this and the pot, and now they're mine. Another piece of titanium gear for me. It is made out of titanium. So that was 2 cups of water starting at 60 degrees. Room temperature is 56, humidity 50%, and it took 7 minutes and 8 seconds for this to come to a full boil. I thank Owen for the swapping here. I thank you for watching my videos. I look forward to your input, questions, remarks, helpful suggestions. And as always, watch for my buddy Max. Bye now.